Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to be repairing a door panel insert. Now I was just going to do this. I hadn't planned to do a video on it, but my niece actually had the same issue and she didn't know how to fix it. So I thought, you know what, I'll do a video in case somebody else needs to know how. It's real simple. You're going to need a few things, some cleaner. Just going to use some Windex is what I'm going to use. Some spray adhesive, and then some masking tape and some masking paper or some sort of paper. It doesn't have to be masking paper. It could be newspaper or magazines or junk mail, whatever. You're also going to need a little bit of lighter fluid, and that's to clean off any spray adhesive that makes it past your masking tape and masking paper, and a plastic spreader. These are, we call them Bondo spreaders, but you can get those at any auto parts store. You may even get them at Walmart, I don't know. Okay, some of these inserts, the door panel, the armrest isn't incorporated into it, which would make it a little easier. This one, the armrest is incorporated into it. The material is supposed to tuck behind it, which is going to make it a little more difficult. I'm hoping that I don't have to pull the door panel off. That's fingers crossed. But what I'm going to attempt to do is take the plastic spreader and tuck it behind the door panel. Keep saying door panel. Tuck it behind the armrest, and then I'm going to mask up around the insert, around the insert, and use the spray adhesive. And I'll spray, this side and the material, and use the spreader to tuck it in and hopefully not make too much of a mess. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean. Just going to spray a little bit of this on, and grab my paper towels. Oh yeah, you'll need some paper towels too. I'm just going to clean this off. All right, I'm going to try to tuck this in. An armrest fits tight, real tight. I'm gonna get something else. I'm gonna get a putty knife. Okay, I got me a putty knife. If you do use a putty knife, just be careful, because usually they have sharp corners. You can poke a hole in something. This one, the corners are rounded, so it's not as dangerous. I just need something thinner. The spreader's too thick, and I can't push the material in there. Okay. Okay. I've got it tucked in behind there. Now I'm gonna mask around the insert, and then we'll start spraying adhesive. I'm using 2-inch wide tape. I like the 2-inch wide versus 3/4 or 1 inch or 1.5 inches. Well, you just got more adhesive surface, and it works better. It works better on stuff like door panels. Well, it works better in a lot of applications, but especially something like a door panel, when you don't know how many times it's been armor awed, which tape doesn't like to stick to armor all. So the more adhesive surface you got, the better your chances are of it sticking. I'm using 3M brand tape, which doesn't matter, you can use whatever. This is just what we use at work. See, it's not wanting to stick. Oh, my tape just ran away. Yeah, I'll go ahead and run some masking paper up top. Just in case. got to shake the adhesive, spray adhesive. All right, we want to spray adhesive on both things that we're gluing together. We want to spray adhesive on this and on the material, on the door panel and the material. All right, let's give that just a second. Okay, we're going to work from the bottom up. Just pressing. Hold the top away. We don't want to get any wrinkles. Get this out of the way. We didn't get low enough. There we go. All right, we're going to take our plastic spreader, start tucking. We'll have to go back to the putty knife. We'll need something thinner. Just, again, be careful. Right there. Try to shoot a little bit in there. It is kind of bleeding through a little bit. I'm putting a little too much on there. It'll be all right. It'll dry and it'll be fine. Turn loose here. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Wow. I did get a little bit of adhesive here, so I'll take a paper towel and the water fluid. Put a little bit on my paper towel. I'll just wipe that up. You can use lighter fluid on upholstery, just use small amounts. You may want to test a place on the material that you can't see very well, just in case. But that's an upholsterer's trick, is lighter fluid. A little bit up here. Okay, well, not too bad. I did get a glue in a few other places that I didn't realize, but hey, not bad. All right, that's that. So if you have the same issue, now you know how to fix it. Super easy. All right, see you on the next one.